Welcome, retail fam, MW-TRADINGWORLD here. Gonna do a quick Bitcoin update, and we're gonna talk about some altcoins. And yeah, well, we're gonna look at where the markets are and what is happening. I think a lot of people are on an edge, especially the ones that are holding altcoins. And well, they're stressing a bit out because Bitcoin is chopping around and showing a little bit of weakness. So we're going to talk about this today. Bitcoin. You guys all have seen this channel. I've been sharing it for weeks now. And for now, we are here at this top over here. And well, we nailed a lot of trades based on this channel. Because we got a hit over here, rejected, we got a hit over here, rejected, we got this last hit over here, rejected. So guys, in trading it's all about making gains, the rest is all noise. So what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is don't be bullish, don't be bearish, just trade what you see, because there's no need. You got a lot of believers in crypto, and guys, I'm also a believer, but I'm a believer in making gains. That's all that matters to me. I really, as much as I love to see that crypto is taking over the financial markets and crypto will be independent and crypto will be for the retailers and people will be free and etc. etc. I really hope that that will happen someday. But more important is for you and me and a lot of retailers to make money, to be financially independent, and that's only if you focus on gain trading. Because a lot of people ask me a lot of questions about projects. Listen guys, I know a lot about crypto. I've been in crypto for years and years and years, so a lot of things that I know about crypto, but I'm no fundamental expert. There are other people that are fundamental experts. Like you can feel about him what you want. You've got Rand from Crypto Banter. Either you like him or not. I don't agree with a lot of things that he says and does also, but that's all right. But fundamentally, he is fundamentally very strong, and that's not my thing. I am really a gain trader. So meaning I'm only focused on charts and how to use skills to benefit from any situation, any opportunity out there. And that's what I also share on my Twitter account. And because there are a lot of followers that are watching me and telling me, wait a minute, MB, why are you watching silver? Why are you sharing the DXY chart? Why are you sharing the NASDAQ chart? Why are you sharing this one? Because that's my thing. That's how I have built my wealth. I'm always combining and trying to read wheels, what they are doing, where the money is flowing to, where the money is flowing out. My nothing to see here. I've shared him a lot of times. This guy is an Einstein. He's fundamentally, maybe in my opinion, one of the strongest economic fundamental Einsteins in whole CT. He's very undervalued. He's a hidden gem and not a lot of followers. But guys, I follow a lot of people in the economic world, and this guy is really a genius. So, but to come back to what I was trying to explain is you have to be a gain trader. And by gain trader means don't be in the markets like, wait a minute, crypto pumped. Wait a minute, this altcoin made a 10x and I missed it. Wait a minute, and this one is going to be the future. Wait a minute, no, gaming altcoins are going to the moon, etc. And what do I have to do? I just go and buy. I just go and I just saw that someone tweeted about that this project will be the future, so I'm gonna buy it. And you will probably get wrecked. Listen, when Bitcoin starts running to 40k, 50k, 60k, it doesn't matter what you're going to buy. Anything you buy will probably go in profits. But if you have this mindset, when the markets come down, you will also get wrecked and lose those profits. It's just how it is. These are facts that I'm sharing now. So I'm really focused. I've got a very defensive style of trading and investing, a very, very, very defensive style. But why do I have this defensive style? Why? Because it's the only way how I can survive these markets without getting wrecked. because you can for sure tell me that I missed a lot of pumps, but you can never tell me that I've been dumped on. You just cannot tell me this, because I don't get dumped on, because I'm so defensive. For me, I'm a gain trader. Where the money flows, I will be there. So for now, Bitcoin on the daily, guys, I've shared it also a lot of times. We are at support of the indicator, and as you can see, we come back to it, boom, we come back to it, boom, we come back to it, boom, we come over here, we even close below it, and somehow it even gained momentum and went up it again. So over here, actually the indicator gets totally invalidated. Over here, this was really for me, this was really shocking that it closed below it finally after all these times, and then it pops up again. So for now we're testing it, but I was looking at this chart, and then what I saw was this one, guys, this one. It looks pretty the same, doesn't it? Look at it over here, this one. Look at it, it looks pretty the same. So there's a lot of price action going on over here, just like over here. And as you can see, over here we got rejected and we came down, and over here the same. But there are a lot of fundamentals also playing a role over here with the spot ETFs and etc, etc. Will it get approved? Will it not get approved? When will it be approved? Some people say it will get approved, some are saying that it will definitely not be approved. It's really a shit show, and based on this sentiment, Bitcoin is chopping around, because the Bitcoin whales and the Bitcoin buyers, they really don't know what they're doing. So for now, as long as this thing gets invalidated, we're now at support on the daily on the indicator, but if this thing loses support, we have to be bearish midterm. We have to be bearish midterm. It's just how it is. If this thing breaks up over here, it will be a very long line. So over here, then we can see price ranges like 42k, and I think that a lot of altcoins will pop up like crazy. So for now, it's very hard to analyze Bitcoin, because we are over here. The only thing that we can do, we can compare it with the previous price actions, and that's what we're seeing over here. Chopping around, down, chopping around, down, chopping around, down. So over here, chopping around. Will this be up, or will this channel get invalidated and are we breaking up? But in my experience as a gain trader, for me, when this happens, I have to be more bearish than bullish. It's just as simple as that. Rejected. So I have to be more bearish than bullish, and that's just me. I don't, and guys, I don't care about the fundamentals at this moment. For me, it's now just pure charts, pure TA. I've got to be more bearish than bullish. Okay, let's go and see for the crypto altcoin degens what is going on over here. As you can see, the dominance is popping up because Bitcoin is showing some weakness, and the altcoins are saying, like, you know what, we go pop up. If you don't want to go up, we will pop up. So over here we're seeing some more strengths for altcoins, especially now with I don't know what is going on with Luna and the UST, a stable coin that pumps with 260% is really madness, by the way. I really don't know what's going on. I asked our fundamental expert Ran what's going on. He also knows really, if there is someone that knows enough about Luna and the whole system, is Ran. So I asked him, maybe he can do his show today and explain a bit about what's going on with the Luna pumps that are popping up. So for now, it's looking good. The dominance is trying to pop up, and to let me zoom out so you guys can see where we are. So for now, we're just chopping around over here, and if this thing will go up to here, this could be very good for several altcoins that could really pop up, because as you guys saw past weekend with several altcoins pumping, we are back into FOMO mode, and a lot of altcoins can pump, and I'm doing really my best to track most of them and to share them on my Twitter feed. And I'm also trading a lot, also with the Mexc trading group. We made really sick gains on several altcoins past weekend, and really sick gains. By the way, those were all shorts. Yeah, imagine we had some several altcoins popping up, and we made really sick money in shorting, at least the ones that were shorting, the team, not me. But it's really it's crazy. It's crazy how. That's why I'm telling you, focus only on making money. Don't care about any project, don't care about any that's for your, when you're out of your making money zone, then you can go be a supporter of VeChain or go be a supporter of gaming coins or be a supporter about everything. But when you're focused on trading, the only thing you have to care about is making money, and making money means you have to be dead from inside. Look at opportunities. What is the chart telling? What is this telling? Combine the charts. What is that what direction we're going? Analyze, plan, believe, and then strike. That's all what it's about. Super. Well, talking about super, this is one of the trades that the team took, and as you can see, they really nailed this one, and they are still running in profits. Because listen guys, this is why do you think that most of the people follow me? They follow me because I'm allergic to greed and I'm allergic to FOMO. That's why people follow me. If you're gonna see 70-80% of retailers that follow me because of this. This is why they follow me. They follow me because they need someone, because they are filled by greed and filled by FOMO, and they're on CT and they are doing whatever. They need someone in the crypto space to show them the other side of the story. So they need someone to protect them, and that's really, guys, there are a lot of people that follow me just for this. They want to know, and a lot of people also follow me for the helmet calls, but they follow me because they want to know, wait a minute, what am I doing? Maybe it's time for me to take profits. Maybe it's time for me to get out of a trade. And I show people why they should take profits. I show people why they need to get out of a trade. I show people why, etc., etc. And that's what gives them the confidence and the strength to get out of a trade and take their money. And that's why people love me and follow me on Twitter. That's the most important thing. And now, listen guys, over here I shared it yesterday, and the team started shorting this, and they really made sick gains. And as you can see, the Mexc Trading Group, they're shorting it with very, very low fees, and that's what makes me happy, because there are a lot of retailers that are trading with like 1K, 2K, 3K, and they don't have a lot of money, and they trade and they make like $100, $200, and they pay like $1, $2, $5, $10 max on trading fees. And that way, the $100 that they make gives them, I've shared it on my Twitter also, really, guys, I'm very happy for these guys, and I'm very happy that they're making money this way. So I wanted to go to Bit Network. I also shared this one. And guys, if there is one project that I'm bullish on, possible bullish on the midterm, long term, it's this project, guys. I like this project because, why do I like it? It's always, Chainlink has got the monopoly in crypto space in what they do. And we've got Band. Well, they tried a bit to compete with Link. Well, they didn't. I traded Band a lot, by the way, in the previous cycles. Made a lot of money on it. And maybe, again, guys, I'm no fundamental expert, but maybe this one will compete with Link and take some shares from Link. And guys, that's why I made this box over here. We've got some support levels over here. We made this low, a double bottom. Maybe we're going for the triple, as you can see. But you know, the thing is, what worries me a bit about BIT is I cannot chart the BIT BTC pairs. So I don't know how it's looking over there. I don't know what the wheels are doing. Are they flipping or not flipping? So for me, it's very dangerous, especially with resistance on Bitcoin at this moment. Suppose that Bitcoin would drop to 36K, 35K, or 34K, or even lower. How will BIT react to this? But let me tell you this: if this thing drops down over here, I'm gonna look at the markets, but I'm gonna trade the shit out of this one. And let me say that this one also, if it decides to dump, I have to do some more research on this coin. But if this coin decides to dump to the 30 cents until the 20 cents, I will DCA buy in. I will DCA buy in because I don't know. It's very rare that I like a coin, but this is one of those coins that I like, and well, let's see what's going to happen. I wanted to show you guys something else also. Cake team also traded this one from here, and sick gains. This is trading the indicator, guys, and the momentum. What am I going to say? Sick gains. I've shared this. I made a video about it, so everyone knows about it also. Okay, another coin that I wanted to show that I'm eyeing is this one. We've got this this very ugly diamond pattern. I know a lot of people in Wall Street, people that trade not crypto, they trade a lot of stocks and indexes and etc. And you know, in that world, not in crypto world, but in that world, these guys really love diamond patterns. I don't know why. I don't use them a lot. They love their diamond patterns, and they really trade a lot of diamond patterns in Wall Street. So for now, I'm watching this one, and if we will break this diamond over here, team will probably going to short this one, and that's why my alarm is set over here to share it. But probably they're going to short this one if it breaks the pattern. Always use the indicator, because what is dangerous about this diamond pattern is that we already came down a bit, and it's because of Bitcoin, I think, also. But the indicator is because this would be the short if you're trading on very low time frames. This would be the short over here. Breakdown, retest, down again. So if this thing comes back again, or it needs to break down, be very careful. Go to lower time frames. Go to the 50 minutes, for example. As you can see, the 50 minutes will help you. When this thing breaks down, well, the target will be over here. So just that you know that this will be the target of 2.8. So this was a coin that the team is eyeing to trade. Also share it in the Mexc private group. So guys, if you want to join the Mexc Trading group, there's a link below. You can trade on the lowest fees, and we gonna kill it over and over again. Have a nice one, and bye bye. Oh, by the way, guys, no bye bye, guys. If you're appreciating these vids, because I'm making them for the retail firm. If you appreciate these vids, push that like before you close this vid. Push that like or make a comment, or tell me what altcoin you want me to chart, because I'm charting a lot of altcoins. Tell me what altcoin you want me to chart. Have a nice one, and bye bye.